at the National Center for Atmospheric Science have developed this tool, the water accounting model, collaboratively with our partners in China and in the Netherlands. And working together on this project has allowed us to develop this method to trace the water source for precipitation, for rain or snow, anywhere in the world. It's something that we would not have been able to do without support from CSSP China, without the support from our Chinese collaborators. We're now using this tool not only in China to address critical issues there around water resources and water availability, we're also using it in other regions of the world. We're applying it in Brazil and in India, in other Newton-funded projects.
This tool can trace where this water, which dumped over China, comes from. We can trace for those extreme events, for example, tropical cyclones, monsoon. We also can trace down the moisture source for average rainfall over China. So here we show an example, which is a tropical cyclone moved northwestwards into China. So you clearly see the color indicates the moisture. You clearly see part of the moisture comes with the tropical cyclone from the Pacific, but rather large part of the moisture comes from the Indian monsoon over the Indian Ocean. We have three main findings. The first one is, over the majority of China, except the monsoon region, the major water source for rainfall comes from land rather than from ocean. The second finding is, the remote water bodies, like Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, play a rather important role for rainfall over China during the winter. That's because the strong westerly jets and the frozen land surface in the winter. And the third one is that because of the topography, the mountains surrounding the Tibetan Plateau, that the local moisture recycling is much stronger over that region. One of the applications will be on water management and agriculture. For example, in a river catchment where you have a hydroelectrical dam or a large piece of farmland, if you know where the moisture source is for those regions, and if you change the surface use on those source regions, for example, deforestation, then it will have a direct impact on those downstream regions.